Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.